The Brawling Birds vs Tiara James Kayla Lopez ku mukino warangiye. The Brawling Birds Hayter and Windsor vs Tiara James and Kayla Lopez on the episode of AEW Dynamite. The Brawling Birds attacked Lopez and James right at the opening bell. They threw both of their opponents to the outside of the ring and aggressively bounced them back in the barricade. After a brief offense blast from their opponent, Hayter and Windsor took full control. They delivered a brutal lariat sandwich to Tiara James and successfully pinned her, following their signature two birds one stone finishing maneuver. The decisive win allowed Hayter and Windsor to continue building their momentum on the road to All-in-One, while also highlighting the return of independent star Tiara James and Kayla Lopez on the AEW stage. Barakubwira ko The Brawling Birds aribo Hayter ndetse na Windsor babashije gutsinda Tiara James ndetse na Kayla Lopez mu mukino wa tag team match wabaye mu mikino ya AEW Collision. The Brawling Birds, Hayter and Windsor defeated Tiara James and Kayla Lopez in a tag team match which took place on the episode of AEW Collision. The match was a showcase of dominance for the Brawling Birds, and they managed to secure the victory in under 3 minutes. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion or recommendation, write a comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wakoze kubana nanjye igitekerezo cyangwa umwanzuro wanyandikira muri comment. You can like and subscribe because video is byiza. Don't forget to check on product tagged in this video.